Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tacoma headlight. First, gather your essential tools for the job. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, a ratchet, and an extension to reach various bolts. A Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool will also be very helpful. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Having everything ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get started by opening your truck's hood and locating the headlight assembly. The first step is to remove the radiator grille. This usually involves detaching several clips and two 10mm bolts at the top. Once the grille is off, you'll need to carefully pull back the bumper cover slightly. This reveals a hidden 10mm bolt that secures the headlight assembly, which can be a bit tricky to access. With the assembly accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb. Next, remove the rubber boot that acts as a moisture shield. You'll then find a metal retaining clip holding the bulb in place. Push down and slide it out of the way. Carefully pull out the old bulb, noting its orientation. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands to prevent premature failure. To finish up, secure the new bulb with the metal clip, replace the rubber boot, and reconnect the electrical harness. Carefully align the headlight assembly back into its position, ensuring all tabs and mounting points are correctly seated. Reinstall all 10mm bolts and clips for the bumper cover and grille. Finally, test your new headlights to ensure they are working properly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.